Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be finishing up the items that I need to build for Descent Legends of the Dark. So the first thing I want to start with is the dials, because I think that'd be the easiest part. So there's the dials there I haven't punched out. So I'm going to take these here. Got a front and a back. One's got numbers. The one's got like an indication that it's for life, right? I'm going to take one of these, pop this to the back. Oops. Yeah, let's just do one. Maybe that's for... It's got to be... We'll pop this into here, like so. If I can get... There we go. If I can get it to fit. This is going to go right on top of it, right? And then I'm going to put this right there and hopefully push it, snap it together. My hope. Nope. Oh, come on, you can do this. It's a really, really tight fit. And does it rotate? Alright, so I don't like the way it's bending it. Well, it seems like it's going to hold. Alright, so kind of a tight fit, but they give you kind of a little things here, little edges of the wheel so you can turn, so that's helpful. So there's one. There's two. They actually give you quite a few of these, so I assume they think you're going to lose them. That was a little easier. There we go. Snap those together. See if that holds. Looks like it. Alright. So there's two. And let's do this third one. There we go. Pop that through the back of this one. If I can get it. Alright, and then snapping this into place. And then that one felt like it actually snapped, so there we go. And last but not least, oh, wrong one. There we go. And then we have this one snap into place. There we go. There we go. I think I'm going to hold. So we got 4 health counters. Alright, so we'll set those off to the side. They give you actually 4 extra buttons. At least I got 4 extra buttons. I don't know why. But move it off to the side. So then I'm actually going to put the pillars together. So we have some pillars here. And that one is done. So they go like this. So that way you can put terrain in it to hold it to different levels. There's one. Assuming they go like this then. If I can get it. There we go. A little twisting and turning. So there's the second pillar. We have these little ones here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. I'm getting it. There we go. So we got the rest of the pillars right here. There we go, there's that one. Another one these don't really seem very wobbly. I'd hope that they'd be a little more sturdy since, you know, we're playing a lot on them. Some of the whole game is based around the 3D terrain. So then here's this. Here's another one. And another one. Come on, you can. There we go. There we go. Got it. There's another one. And then I got one extra piece, so let me check the other tiles just to make sure I'm not missing something. There's that. Oh, there it is. Alright. Last but not least, right? There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 smaller tiers, right? Pillars. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can suspect that there's not going to be a whole lot of like high platformed terrain, right? Because you only got 4 to hold up corners, right? Where here you can have at least enough to hold up 2 terrain, right? Like if they were only doing by corners. So now obviously these can also hold up the same level of terrain as these ones because they have that slit here to match up there. Let me knock these down to show you. There we go, see? Slit here and then here. So those, let's get those out of the way. And then let's do the doors. So as I looked at these doors should be like this, because that's where these points come down, because that's how the door comes down through the wall to seal, like this. This should be a little more flatter, but it is what it is, right? I'm sure their graphic design team thought of everything. And so I'm assuming these go to this door because these look like iron, right? So we got this here. So these go here, obviously, right? And then this goes here like this. And boom, we got 2 doors. So those off. We have wooden doors, so I'm going to go ahead and take these wooden stands out. These doors look nice. It's probably about the nicest looking part of the game. These doors that they use. Alright, so we got a golden door. I don't see any like golden arched stands for the door, so I'm just assuming they just go with whatever. Right? So then that snaps on. Like that. Just like this. Alright, so there's that. A little tight fit. I'm afraid I'm going to break it or something. There we go. Because I can actually see it ripping the cardboard on the door. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yes. And then one more, and we're done with the doors. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Got it. Last one here. There we go. So we got 4 doors. One's a golden door. You can see. Alright, let's get those out of the way. So let's do the steps. Alright, so we're going to need these here. Alright, so this is going to slide into here. And then slide in enough that it's going to pop down onto, yep, right there. And again, we're going to do that with the same side over here. Slide down enough to pop it in right there. Then we're going to take another one of these and slide into the same spot. Well, not the same spot, but there's grooves that they slide into, and then they're going to slide enough to pop into place. And then these ones definitely need to be glued. They feel a little weak. Alright, and then I need that top piece here. So that's what stands on. The miniatures will stand on this, which I don't understand how, because miniatures are huge. And there's no dividing lines to show, you know, adequate space if there was enough for 2. They probably made it wide enough for a door. like that. So there's no dividing line to show that 2 miniatures could sit there, so I'm assuming only 1 miniature per step if they fit. So, wish they held together a little bit better. Like another piece here that just hold it here, so it's not so wobbly. That would have been really nice. Go. And then the top piece. Really wobbly. Don't like it at all. I'd rather have had 3D steps. Like 3D miniature steps, that is. Top. The last set of steps. And then almost, I just really don't like how wobbly they are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets of steps. Alright. Move this out of the way. Alright, so then we're going to do the chest. We got chest here, here, and here. So we're going to do this gray one first. So these all bend, it's all segmented here. And so I'm kind of curious of how well it's going to go together. And one side goes on first and then the other side possibly. It looks like that's, I feel like crushing. There we go. Use your fingers. This feels kind of cheap. Pinch it together. It looks nice, but it feels kind of cheap. It's one chest. So make sure we got the right chest with the right stands, I guess you want to call them. Right, they're the ones that hold this chest together. Feels a little cheap. Pinch, pinch. There we go. So there's 2. They look nice, but they feel cheap. Alright, last. Nope, not last one. So we got 2 more. Go. Alright, 2. So 1, 2, 3, had 2. Can't count. There we go, that one. Then that one. Pinch. And then pinch. Alright, so we got 4 chests. 1 silver, 1 blue, 1 gold, and 1 black. Alright, so let's move those out of the way. We have some bookshelves to put together. This one's going to be a little more difficult. So, yep, okay. So I'm going to have these. So I have a bottom and a top, and then I have sides. I have a face. So the face has to go in this way. And so, alright, so that will go into here because it creates the shelf look, right? So this has to go here as well, this way to create that shelf look. Alright, so then I have this. Let's put it on that side. This will go here because the back has to slide into place, so that's going to go there, right? Go there. Go here. And then we have a top. And then a bottom. And then the back. The back is going to probably be the hardest part, right? No, look at that. I got it in one try. Boom. That looks kind of neat. But again, I'd be okay with a plastic frame piece. What game was it that actually had some plastic bookshelves? Was it Dungeon Saga? I think Dungeon Saga had some plastic, like 3D model plastic bookshelves, right? So there's that. Got another one. So side, side, back, top, face and face. And there's nothing on the other side, so it has to go this way. Ah, come on. You know you want to go in there. There we go. There we go. Slide. Slide. There we go. Hold. That's the bottom. Hold there, and then there we go, top, and then back. Ooh, now this one's giving me problems, isn't it? Yeah, it's starting to bend that cardboard, isn't it? Yeah. Let's pop that out. Try it again. Let's try it the other way. Broke the cardboard. Ripped it. Not too happy about that. Sheesh. Come on. There we go. It's gonna break it. I think it sounds like it. Putting a lot of stress on that cardboard is what it did. Actually frayed it right here. And it started to bend right here. Gosh. Probably would have been cheaper just to make a 3D model, 3D plastic model. With the cost of wood and everything, cardboard and everything else. Right, another one. Hopefully this one goes together a lot easier than that last one. So here's this. Right, here's this one. Let's do the top first. Right, there's that. Then we'll do the bottom. Alright, so let's do the back. There we go. Ooh, bent that one really good, dude. There we go. Come on. Come on, come on. There we go. Another one. That one was tough as well, man. Oof. Alright, so last bookshelf. And I like the artwork on these ones. This and the doors are probably the best terrain pieces I've seen in the whole game, unfortunately. Alright, there we go. Bottom. Let's do that one first. That's it right there. And the top. Alright, so let's kind of bend this back some because I want it to slide a little better. Yeah, not wanting to. There we go. Looks like this is starting to pop out, so maybe that's part of the problem. There we go. Let's try it again. There we go. We got 4 bookshelves. Alright, so that's almost it, right? We got the dragon put together. Boom, boom. So let's start with opening this book. So we need to do the head first. We need L123. So this is actually going to go right here, like this. Okay, let's do this. There we go. Man, it's not wanting to really go in there. There we go. That was a pain. Alright, so now we need L122 and L117. So that's going to go like this. And this will go like this. Like that. Alright, then we'll need 118 and 119. 118, 119. So there's 119. Oh, that's not 119. There's L119. It says it right there. So there's that. We'll need the 118. 118. It's right here. That definitely does not look like the pieces that I need. So 118 goes in the back. Looks like this. That's going to have to go down like this as well. And it's really tearing up that cardboard. Yeah, tore up that cardboard. And then we need 121 and 120. 121 and 120. Come on. It's not going to fit in there very well. There we go. Alright, so there's the head. Got the head done. It's not a very good looking head, that's for sure. Alright, so then we gotta do the backbone. Alright, so we need 108. So 104 to 108. So 106. So this is going to go here like so. Alright, we got the stand at the bottom. Yep, and then we got the vertebrae. And there's that. Alright, so there's that so far. And then here's the head. I'm assuming the head is just going to go on like this, because there's two, I see the two slots. Like that. Alright, so we got the wings and the hands to do. So it looks like the claws will go onto the hands, like so. Come on. Man, this thing is such a tight fit, and then it rips up the cardboard. There we go, and one more. I have to glue this in together. There's that, and then the other hand. Come on. There we go. Last one here. Come on, you can do it. You just, there we go. Alright, so this is going to go on here like this. And this one like this. Alright, so there's the hands. See them? You're wanting to hold something. Then I got a wing. And the wings go right here like this. Boom. And this last wing like this. Alright. So we got the dragon, we got the steps, alright, we got the doors, we got the bookshelf and treasure chests, we got the pillars, and we have the health point trackers. So let's see if all this can go into the box. I can go in with the other stuff. So the dragon stands up way too tall. So let's see here. So we got the dragon right up top, right? And that's no way that's going to fit in there. So now I have to figure out another way to get that in there. Take out these trees from before. I'll take out the lectern and the barricades. So he's going to have to lay down. Hopefully he doesn't get damaged. Tables. Yeah, that's... I think that's about the best way. Maybe take the wings off of him. I'm going to have to lay him down. I'm going to have to take the head off too. Well, I feel like I just need to take them completely apart. So let's try it again with the head on. So I'm going to lay him down like that, put him against there. Alright, so we got barricades. I'll put some barricades under him to help support his neck and head. Alright, and then we have the doors here. I got some tables here. So I got small tables. So I'm going to put some small tables right under here. Under the arches. I got big tables here. I'm going to line up on the side so I can stack those. Another small table. And I got some steps. So I'm going to put that here. Another set of steps I'm going to put right here on the side. Alright, so I got a lectern. I'm going to throw underneath the archways. Some other doors. Alright, so I got trees that need to lay down, so I'm going to have to try to put them somewhere. Adjust these tables. Alright, so one tree there. Try to stack the trees on top of each other. Alright, so we have bookshelves. I'm going to stack the bookshelves on top of these steps. I'm going to need room for those pillars. And other door. So there's this. So I got treasure chests. I'll just throw those underneath those arches some more because there's room under there. Door. Lay down on top of the dragon. And then I got these pillars. And so they all fit somewhat inside the box. Look at that. It's kind of a mess in there, but well, what do you do? Alright, so then the other half of the box will go here, like that. So I guess I just throw these up here like this. And then I can put this here. Throw those in there just for fun. That goes there. That goes there, the lore guide. And then the lid. And it's ready. It's ready for the shelf. So I'm going to try to put it in my K-Lax and see if it'll fit. And I was able to get it into my K-Lax. And so it doesn't leave me a whole lot of other room to get some games around it. It looks like I might be able to get something on the side that's slender and possibly a thinner game on top. And that's it for that cube. So hey, hope you enjoyed this video where I put these things together. So stay tuned for other videos when I actually play it. Hey, thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.